Hey there, let's imagine the following scenario. You're working on a monolith or a macroservice project, and a mobile app developer comes to you and says, "Hey, can you help me debug this API endpoint?" And they give you the URI of the API. You accept the task like the good colleague that you are and open the IDE and get to work. Because the project is massive, there is a plethora of routes that are most likely even split into several files. I've tried to replicate this scenario by finding an open source project that has literally hundreds of routes. I'm using two Laravel projects to showcase this, but I think this scenario can be found in any other similar projects, no matter the framework. Imagine having to find a route definition just by knowing the API URI or the path. Some of the APIs have similar paths like login, logout, status, settings, password reset for different types of users, and use cases, and so on. It's almost like you're trying to find the needle in a haystack. Let's now get to the bottom of this. If you're using Laravel, there is a quick way of finding the route definition by using the PHP artisan route list -- name flag, and I'm going to search for the login path, and it returned the HTTP verb and the entry point, which in my case is a create method from the authenticated session controller. But I would like to propose a better way, something that is framework agnostic, faster, and can be used by anyone using an IDE or simply a text editor. Hang on to your hats, because this is going to blow your mind. Simply add a comment showing the API URI or the path above a specific route. And next time you want to search for the route definition by API path, you'll find it in just a few seconds. I applied this technique in a project at work, and the job of finding the routes turned from a hassle into a breeze. Try it out, see if it works for you and your team. At least for us, it improved the developer experience and working with the code in general. Alright guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and stick around this channel because I will post more zero-cost tutorials like this one. If you have any feedback, comments or concerns, leave them in the comment section and I'll do my best to respond to all of them. See you in the next one.